Rising Kids with Skills. Welcome kids. Today we will learn preposition. Let's start. Preposition help connect different parts of a sentence, especially in terms of time, place and direction. For example, above. Birds are flying above the ground. Out. This boy is standing out from his house. In. The food is in the lunchbox. With. Dog is playing with a ball. On. Kim is walking on the table. Around. Planets are moving around the sun. Behind. Lucky is standing behind a table. Front. Peter is standing in front of a car. Between. Neil is hiding between two cars. Under. Roy is sitting under a table. At. Jack is studying at a desk. Far. The dog is standing far from his house. Near. The dog is sitting near his house. Beside. Bobby is standing beside a table. Up. People are going upstairs. Down. Aryan is coming downstairs. Let's play some fun game. Now you kids help me to choose the correct answer. Number 10 comes dash number 9. Your options are after, on, before. Which one is the correct answer? Can you help me?
Number 10 comes after number 9.
Absolutely correct. Now see this picture and tell me the position of the boy. Where is the boy standing? Your options are on a table, in front of table, under a table. Which option is correct? Can you help me?
The boy is standing in front of table.
Absolutely correct. Now let's play letter game. Tell me letter B comes dash letter C. Your options are in, after, before. What do you think? Letter B comes in the letter C, letter B comes after letter C, or letter B comes before letter C? What do you think? Which one is the right answer?
Letter B comes before letter C.
Absolutely right. Now see this picture and choose the correct preposition word. Your options are in the sky, with the sky, behind the sky. What do you think? Which one is right?
Birds are flying in the sky.
Correct. Now look at the picture and find correct preposition word. Where is dog sitting? Your options are behind the table, under the table, on the table. Which one is correct? Can you tell me?
Dog is sitting under the table.
Good job! Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.